Okay, evaluating limits part 2. So here we have our function f of x up here in green. And we have this height of 1 here and a height of negative 1 here. And it says here, find the limit of f of x as x approaches negative 1. So as x approaches negative 1, right? So here's x, maybe it's negative 1 here. So with this, what we're going to do, it doesn't say what side we're approaching from, so we're going to approach from both sides. So here is, right? If we approach from this side, we're approaching a height of negative 1. And if we approach from this side, we're approaching a height of negative 1. So the limit is equal to negative 1. But let's try another question. What if we do this? What if we say, find the limit of f of x as x approaches 0 from numbers greater than 0. So here is x is equal to 0 right here, isn't it? So as x approaches 0, is x, right, from numbers, that's what this symbol is right here, is not from positive 0, but from values greater than. It means we're moving from this value over here. And aren't we approaching a height of 1? So the height is equal to 1. By contrast, what if we said this? What if we said, find the limit of f of x as x approaches 0 from values less than 0. In that case, again, we're approaching x is 0, but now we're approaching x is 0 from the left-hand side, and that puts us on this trail right here, doesn't it? So the height is equal to negative 1. All right, last example here. Last example here might be this. What if we, these are both called one-sided limits, and it means we're just moving in from one side. Here from values greater than, here from values less than. But what if we said this? What if we said find the limit of f of x as x approaches 0? Now if you guys will just look for a second, there's no plus or minus sign here. And what that means is we're approaching from both sides. So this is where it gets to be a problem, because as we approach from this side, right, as we approach from values less than 0, we're moving this way, and we're approaching a height of negative 1, aren't we? But as we approach 0 from the left-hand side, or from values greater than, we're approaching a different value, right? So this cannot be determined. Okay? So indeterminate. Okay? Good work.